Greetings, awesome crew of waste not warriors. How are you all doing today? So today we're going to talk about thrifting for clothing to upcycle for yourself or family and friends or to sell. I recently went on a thrifting spree, if you will, to a small ministry thrift store near me, and then I went to another place and I wanted to do a bit of a comparison of the clothing haul that I got. So this is a really great, good quality cotton t-shirt. It's kind of a yellow, bright yellow. So will I dye it? Maybe. But it's the kind of piece that I would use as a base for making a cute upcycled tunic top like this, for example, or like this piece I made for my sister-in-law a few years ago. Now for me, a white t-shirt is probably always going to be dyed because I usually get ones that are stained or have got holes in or whatever. But whenever I see a skirt, especially a skirt with lace panels, I get excited because with those skirts, I typically make something like this, or even this, and maybe this. Okay, so with the red t-shirt, same deal, but these shorts, curvy. But what's so great about them is the natural distressing. Same thing here. I can do so much with these shorts and I can definitely sell them. These bloomers and this blouse were white. I found them within moments of each other and I was so excited. The bloomers have pockets, the blouse has lace, and I threw them in a pan of dyeing that I had going on at home. So now they've become an outfit. Cotton summer leisure wear. Ooh, 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 ooh. What was that? Again, with this oversized black t-shirt, you can make tunic tops that are really, really cute. For the pants, there are a couple of things I didn't like. I don't like the elastic ankles. I do love the pockets. I did not like the very prominent logo on the front. So here's how I solved that. You can pretty much never go wrong with a great old pair of distressed baggy jeans. All you have to do is throw a scarf around the waist and you can pretty much sell it. These sold in one day. Little denim vests and jackets are really fun to upcycle, so just let your creativity run wild. In this haul, I got a really cool linen and crochet lace bed ruffle that kind of fit my bed, and here you can see what my bed looks like. I've got bunches of boxes shoved underneath of scraps and clothing and what have you for storage, and I really love the way this looked, this little bed ruffle looked after I put it on. I also scored this cute lamp base. I kind of like the tropicality of it, if you will, but it didn't have a lampshade. But would you believe about a week later, I go to fill up with gas at my local gas station, and there is this adorable lampshade sitting on top of the trash. Well, my son nearly slid under the seat because his girlfriend was also in our car, but hey, I scored. Let's talk about neutral pieces and styling pieces just for a second. When you're taking pictures of the clothing that you've made, you kind of want to style it. So a lot of what you pick up in a thrift store could be geared towards that. Ooh, I can absolutely never resist a sweet little 80s, maybe early 90s chintz cotton dress. Those flowers. I absolutely love this piece, and probably what I will do with it is make it into a duster of some kind like these. I was so excited when I saw this king-size bed ruffle, which had this checkered pattern on it with beautiful pinks and blues. But when I saw this little sort of shirt top, I guess you call it, in the same pink, I knew immediately what I was going to do with this. So my plan is to put these two pieces together. This is an idea for it. That's from the Dressmaker's Closet, Jane over there, and I will drop a link below because I love this woman. And it's going to be something like this, but a little bit different. Stay tuned because, of course, you know I'm going to make a video about it. So the total items we got was one linen bed skirt, one pinky checky bed skirt queen, 4 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of shorts, 2 dresses, 7 tops, 1 denim vest, 1 cardigan, 1 lamp base, and a skirt. And the total amount I spent at thrift store number 1 was $67. Higher than I normally spend, but boy, I got a lot of stuff. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. I've had a really good time. Would you consider subscribing? Thank you.